Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing well. This is now week 14. So this week you'll find your assignments in the same place in Schoology. There's a folder, week 14. If you click on it, there is one assignment. Like always in tutorial, we try to give you guys only one assignment because we know that we want you to dedicate more time and energy to your Algebra 2 class. So this week you are doing target A on rational exponents. If you don't remember what rational exponents are, you can watch this video to refresh your memory, and then you can do the target. You do get 2 attempts, so remember, if you don't do well the first time, then you can do it again. Also in your week 14, there is an optional survey. So you can just complete the survey just to let me know how the class is going. If you think that it's too much work to only have one assignment, or and also when you want your assignments due. So please take the time to do it. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good week and enjoy your day. Goodbye.